this shit up.
Wubba lubba dub dub! What?
Fuck are you doing?
Yeah, I am ready to fire. I got a million desires that I just need to go achieve. I just need to acquire. So I've been climbing up this ladder. Yes, I'm going up higher. I need to do it till the day that I might retire.
Hey guys, welcome to Torque Steer. Today we actually have a Honda Civic video. I know how y'all missed it. So,
I mean, what happened the last Honda Civic video? Wasn't that...
that was the exhaust, sir.
You're just gonna be known for clapping.
Shut up, I don't care.
Bro, drinking game. Every single time he claps, you take a shot.
Now our first video on the SI was actually the coilovers. Now, we installed the coilovers and they work. But I can't align it properly. Why? Because the camber plate on the adjustable coilovers at the front, they're messed up. They're angled diagonally when they should be horizontally.
It doesn't make any sense that they would be angled this way. It just... I don't know why we didn't really think...
Well, I couldn't think of it because I didn't know what the fuck we were doing.
And neither did I to that fashion, so...
Well then, today we're gonna fix it.
While we're in there.
We got some toys.
So why are you gonna replace the tie rods and the what are these? The rear camber? Is this for rear camber adjustment? Is this like supposed to be rear control arms or what is it supposed?
Well, you see here, rear camber adjustment isn't possible right now. But with these, you can easily adjust it. I'll be able to personalize my alignment even more further than when it was originally stock. So what we did with the coilovers, we added the camber adjustment also. That's also what we did. We didn't put it in right, but that's what we were trying to do. With the inner and outer tie rods, when I went to go get my vehicle aligned, they said your inner tie rods are too short. In the case, because I lowered the vehicle, the tie rods no longer reach the perfect alignment. So that's the reason why I got the inner tie rods. Now, the rear camber adjusters were a suggestion from said mechanic who aligned my vehicle. He said in order for me to adjust my rear camber, I'd have to get aftermarket.
I mean, these are pretty...
They look pretty well built.
These are pretty well built, actually. I really can't wait to see what these actually can do. In my opinion, this is badass.
It is indeed, indeed.
Yeah. Why would we have to replace these things specifically on an EP3? Like, is the EP3 just bad at suspension or?
Surprise, surprise, title of the video. Honda fucked up on this EP3 suspension system. They probably just thought, hey, fuck it, nobody's gonna buy this car. Let's just fucking not even care about the suspension system. So we're gonna attempt to fix it.
Through strengthening it?
Yes.
Okay. And
adding more adjustability, because the camber didn't come in stock. Most Hondas don't have that. Not even caster. And I don't think mine can adjust caster, but I mean, I got a +1 with camber. Hondas are usually just toe, and that's it. So, after getting my alignment and getting bullied from the advanced technicians, they tried to fix it as best as possible. They worked from the back to the front, so they adjusted rear toe, because that's all you could do right now. And then we went to front camber, and then we went to front toe. Now they started on the right side. You know, they put it on the green. You know, they did as best as they could. And then I was like, you know what? Let me try the hoe. And then I went to the left side, and I attempted to do it. And then I realized, looking at the screen, the number kept going up and then down, and then up and then down. And I was like, what's going on? And they were like, oh, it's because you ran out of thread. I was like, what the fuck? It was like a negative 0.17. That's, whoa. That was a lot.
Yeah, it was a lot.
It was jumping between negative 0.15 and negative 0.17. It was just going up and down. And so they said you gotta get bigger inner tie rods. That's where this thing comes in. All right, so we're gonna start installing the inner and outer tie rods.
So, do you want to do the inner and outer tie rods first, or do you want to adjust the coilovers first? Well, it's more of a while you're in there thing, because while we're in there, we have all of this.
Yeah.
So
well, I mean, we'll see when we get there. I mean, we haven't even taken the wheel off. So.
Yeah, we haven't even taken the wheel off. So who knows? Maybe the tie rod's just not there at all. So
I want to relax on that. Dude, we have. Hey, sir.
Oh yeah, we got.
we have upgraded since the last video. Where are my fucking tools? Well, I'll take the tire off. Well, you do that. Yeah.
Do you have a long 15? Do you have a long 15?
I don't. I didn't bring any sockets.
I'll see if I have a long 15.
All right, bet. Hey, Peter, are you gonna go to the shop?
Why, yes. Yes, I am.
All right, get the fuck out of here. That only took like 3 seconds to take off. Just use my Snap-on one. It's easier.
No, it's just in a tight spot.
My guy, come on.
It's in a very tight spot.
Come on. Can we take this off whenever you're...
Yeah, you can slide it off.
Oh, what fell off?
After a few complications and a few I told you so's, you're finally able to access it.
Look at that. You struggled, my guy. Can't believe you struggled.
You tweet. You're tweet.
You call me a Twinkie?
Yeah, because you're full of cream. All right, so you need needle noses?
Yes.
All right, let me grab you some needle noses.
Hey, Peter, are you going to the workshop?
Yes. Yes, I am.
I've actually had to do a lot of stuff while cameras were off. I actually had to fix this, which I don't know, don't fucking laugh at me, but I'm still learning. I don't know if it's the preload or the ride height. I had to adjust this because it was all uneven. That's the reason why I had to and went to go get it aligned, because it was actually veering to the right. So I wanted to get that fixed. Along with the alignment, I fixed these so they could be at the right height. And I mean, I feel like it did fix the problem, like it's driving straight, including with the alignment. But unfortunately, like I said, this thread is literally, actually it's the other side. This one's all the way in. Actually, there's no thread outside, my guy. They used up all the thread on this side.
Oh, jeez.
Hey, yo, drop down in the comments an easier way to get these fuckers off. I mean, that was still pretty easy. Oh, can you shut up over there? So, these outer tie rods have a 17 millimeter. I'll take that off. Alright, here we go. We're just gonna... Yo.
Don't forget that these nuts up here are 15. Up here, these are going to be 15s. And if you guys wanted to see what you're talking about when it comes down to how these were placed, these camber plates aren't supposed to be going this way.
Yeah, they're actually supposed to be going this way, horizontal.
You're supposed to be completely horizontal.
So basically what camber is this is zero camber. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, Peter, but this is negative?
No, that's positive camber.
This is positive camber. So like, basically you're angling your tire by the view of the front of the car, this way, which is, you said positive?
Yeah, that's positive.
Positive. Now this is negative. Most stance cars do negative camber.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I corrected myself there. Use negative camber. Now, the benefit of negative camber is when turning, there's more grip on the tire. Now, stance boys exaggerate it way the fuck up, okay? You only need a little bit of negative camber, so then when you turn, you have better cornering, and you won't wear your tires from one side
So
if you do too much.
So for reference, generally performance cars and race cars will have around -2 degrees camber, so they would be able to take the corners better and have maximum grip. However, most of these stance guys, they have so much camber to the point where they can't corner at all because there's just no tread. There's just no tread to really work with.
Hey Peter, are you going to the workshop?
Yes. Yes, I am.
You gotta take that off?
Yes. This is all one assembly. This is a...
Nah.
This is... Well...
Nah.
This is all one assembly. You were hitting these with the hammer?
Nah.
What?
Nah. Shut up! Shut up! I will break your ankles! I will break your ankles! Ah. Ooh. You don't have bigger than 19?
I have more in the workshop.
No, I need the... I don't even know what it is.
Is it like a 24? I would say a 22.
Could be.
I'll get the impact driver version.
Hey, Peter!
Wubba lubba dub dub!
Are you going to the workshop?
Why, yes. Yes, I am. Fucking crank that.
Yo, you do know I need this nut, right?
Yeah, I know you do. It's really rusty, so you're gonna need it.
Oh shit, I'm gonna have to go back. I just need to loosen it.
Yep.
Uh-oh.
Next thing you gotta do is brake lines.
Uh-oh.
Is it loosen?
Yeah.
Sweet.
So much faster with these damn tools.
Yeah, this would have taken us like a good 30 minutes.
We weren't making stupid jokes.
Damn, we're making flag hours.
Not even, bro.
No, this would have been like a 3-minute job. I swear to God, on the book. Like, this is a 3-minute job.
The book says like what, fucking 5 hours. But nah, the motherfuckers do it in like 2.
Generally, if you're gonna knock out a bolt, make sure you keep the nut a little bit seated on it and hit the nut so it doesn't end up messing up your threads. It'll still slightly mess them up, just not as much.
See, but with an experienced technician like I know where to hit it. Bitch.
Be safe.
Yeah, I don't have a good angle here.
Yeah. I don't know if I have any more zip ties though.
God damn it. I thought you said you had everything.
I lied.
You just fell back down.
Bitch. Wait a minute. Just
Are you?
wait a minute. Just put it in.
Uh-oh. I think I know why we never put it in right.
Because it was never right in the first place, was it?
These are the wrong coilovers.